Thank you for joining in, and for today's video I have another review. I picked up this watercolor journal when I was traveling in upstate New York, and I found it in a gift shop. And the brand on it is, it's hard to see, it's just like embossed here. It's Pauper Press ink. And like you can see right there, it says Watercolor Field Journal. This is a small compact one for travel. There's 40 sheets inside. It says 20% cotton, cold press finish, fine texture, heavyweight paper. It was $2.50 GSM, so it's a little bit thinner than what I normally get, but I don't mind if it's just for like like sketching paper and small doodles and stuff like that. And it has an elastic closure, which is really nice too. And it's like a fake leather binding here for the hardcover. Okay, and it does say that it supports watercolor and gouache. And it does have like a little, there it is, the little bookmark here if you wanted that. And I did use this a few times. This is just swatches from a palette that I got. These brighter colors are my gouache, because I just wanted to use two different mediums here, and it is thick. You can't see anything through the other side. And there was minimal warping. Some patterns here, and then these are watercolor. I really like the way that these two look. And I would compare this to the Pentalic journal. It's almost the same exact thing, it's just smaller. I'll even, I have a separate review of the Pentalic one I can link below. I'm just going to show mine really quick. There it is, right here. And it has the strap and the little ribbon there. This one is almost the same thing, it's just smaller. You can see in comparison there. But yeah, that was a really good purchase. It was still really nice. The quality is good. Actually, I think these pages might be a little bit sturdier than the Pentalic, but it's definitely a close comparison, especially like the style and everything. So yeah, I just wanted to show it quick. peterpauper.com. So I'll put a link in the description if anyone is interested. But again, if you do like small little sketches on the go, or even like as an artist posting little smaller pictures on Instagram, and there's a bunch of different reasons why I use them. Or if you're outside somewhere and you just want to do a quick sketch as a study before you use your good paper on more artwork. And yeah, so overall that was a good purchase. Oh, and prices, it was only $12.99 plus tax. But anyways, that was just a quick little update and a review that I wanted to show from my travels. And be sure to subscribe and like the video, because I have more reviews coming up. And thank you so much for watching.